What does this bird want? So I'm watching this bird. It's like vacation for my brain. But I started thinking, why doesn't this bird give up? It's obviously not making any progress. It's not even close to getting on the other side of the glass. It's still on the outside. It's nowhere near the inside, but yet it keeps banging its head against the wall, making no progress. Yet it doesn't give up, right? But then we as people, we see progress, we get results, and when we're almost there, we give up. Yet we've proven that we can get closer and closer to where we want to go, and we're making it in. Like, this bird is nowhere near in. It's like impossible to even think that it has made any kind of progress. But yet, bang, bang, bang. I've been hearing this all morning, but it just won't give up. It just won't give up. It happens every spring. I watch it at my neighbor's house. It's just fun to watch, but it's just amazing to me how it's resilient. Yet there's no reason for it to be, because there's no proof that they can even get in. Yet we, as humans, we have so much proof that we're capable, we have the ability and the power to do what we want, go where we want, have what we want. We get a little bit, we get more, and then for some reason we let our mind play tricks on us, and we start to believe that we're nowhere near where we want to go, and then we just give up right before the finish line. We gotta be like these birds. We gotta be like these birds. I don't know why they want to get in my house every spring and why they keep banging their head against the window. I don't know why, but we gotta be like the birds.